Let's move on to next point, NMR signals. Now, the number of signals obtained in the NMR spectra shows how many different kinds of protons are present. If there are five number of signals, there will be five type of proton. If there are six number of signals, there will be six different types of protons present. Okay, thank you. So, number of protons indicates what different kind of protons are present. Number of signals will tell you that, and magnetically equivalent protons are also chemically equivalent protons. Let's see what that means. What are equivalent protons? What are equivalent hydrogens? See, two hydrogens that are in the identical environment, also called as homotopic. It stands for environment. Homo stands for same. Okay, so homotopic environment have the same NMR signal. Now, how it can be determined whether two protons have same environment or not? There is one simple test for that. So test by replacing each proton with X. Okay, if they give the identical result, if you get the same compound by replacing the proton, you may say that they are identical in their environment. They are homotopic. Okay, now consider the protons which are blue in color. Replace any one proton. Okay, replace any one proton. Okay, now you got this compound. I have replaced this proton and I got this compound. Now I will replace some other proton. Let us replace this proton. And if I replace this proton, please answer me, will I get the same signal? I'm sorry, will I get the same compound? I will have to draw it. Okay, यहाँ पे एक दिखाया है replace करके. I will try to replace this one. So H X H. Now, is this compound 1 and compound 2 they are same? 1 and compound 2 same?
Same, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, काम करते हैं हम लोग. Let us not call it as atom X. I will clear it. और ना भी एक काम करते हैं. लेकिन देखो पेन पेंसिल ले लो और मुझे बताओ ये X को मैं क्या रिप्लेस करता हूँ? Cl से, क्लोरीन से. ओके, जब मैंने क्लोरीन से रिप्लेस किया, ये कंपाउंड का नाम क्या हो जाएगा?
Chlorobutyne.
It will be more specifically 1 chlorobutane. Okay, अभी कंसिडर करते हैं this is compound 1. Let me draw compound number 2. थोड़ा ऊपर ड्रॉ करते हैं, so we will get space. Oh, lot easier with chalk and board. Should not contain. Now, instead of replacing this hydrogen, I will replace this hydrogen over here. I found. Change the ink. I will draw hydrogens also, but somebody will be there. Will point it out that sir, the hydrogen miss हो गया. I really wanted to teach. Now, this is compound 2. Can you tell me what IUPAC of this compound is? 1 chlorobutane. Very good, very good. So can I say that compound 1 and compound 2 are same? Can I say
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent. So if compound 1 and compound 2 are same, then these two hydrogens are present in the same environment. Okay, let us do one more thing about the same compound. हम एक काम करते हैं, हम और एक ड्रॉ करते हैं. Now this time I will select hydrogen from this carbon and let us see after replacing we will get the same compound or not. Black ink इधर ड्रॉ करने का, ड्रॉ कर. Oh, it is already lecture का time खत्म हो गया. We will solve this example and then we will stop, students. Please bear with me till I complete this. Still we have to take attendance already. Now, can you name this compound now? Guys, can you name this compound? Yes, very good, Aarti. It is still 1 chlorobutane. So, can I say that all the hydrogens, you please tell me yes or no. All these hydrogens which I am pointing out, which are drawn in say that blue color, they all are equivalent. They are in the same environment. Can we say that?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, many students are agree with me. Very good. Stop here. I hope you got at least some idea that what are equivalent protons. अगर ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है ना तो एक काम करो, अगर आपको ऐसे लगता है कि आइडेंटिकल एनवायरनमेंट में है या नहीं, वो हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करना क्लोरीन से, फिर आपको जिसके साथ कंपेयर करना है उसको भी रिप्लेस करो क्लोरीन से, और दोनों का IUPAC नेम लिखने का कोशिश करो। अगर दोनों का IUPAC नेम सेम आता है, इसका मतलब वो दोनों प्रोटॉन सेम एनवायरनमेंट। ओके, दिस इज probably the simplest way